capital region, and if you looked out of your window today, the odds are high that you would have seen the same thing that you saw yesterday as well. A blanket of smog engulfing New Delhi and the neighboring cities. The air quality index in the national capital has breached the 400 mark on Friday, and it remains in the hazardous category even now. There are some pockets in Delhi, in fact, that have crossed the 700 mark, so the air is extremely hazardous. As you might know, NCR has been plagued with hazardous air quality in the winter season over the last several years. But what's even more shocking is that despite the outrage, despite the health risk, when Times Now stepped out on the ground to find out what are the steps that have been taken to combat this pollution, here's what we found.
A humongous smoke tower here in the national capital, but just like the one in the Connaught Place, this one is also not working. Even the screen here is not working. No data is being collected. No air is being purified as of now. Currently in Anand Vihar, the AQI stands in the severe category, that is at 426. Now, at a time when the Delhiites are smoking this noxious air, this two towers in the national capital, one at CP and one here in Anand Vihar, are not working.
The people of the national capital who are continuously suffering and have to breathe in this toxic air year after year. Now we had seen that several precautionary measures are being taken by the Delhi government, but it is too late. Now the national capital is witnessing the AQI level in severe to hazardous category. Now if you talk about the precautions that had been taken, right now I'm standing in front of the smog tower here in the national capital. Now what is the present condition of the smog tower? The smog tower, you can see, is shut down. In the coming days also, the AQI level will continue to remain in the severe and hazardous category.
So, as you saw there, the smog towers that we visited in the national capital were not even functional. But it appears that our politicians are busy with blame game. In fact, yesterday the Delhi Environment Minister Gopal Rai seemed to be hinting that the situation is much better in Delhi than the rest of the national capital. What the Delhi government conveniently seems to be ignoring, though, is the fact that the stubble burning in the Aam Aadmi Party-ruled Punjab is once again poisoning the air in the national capital region.
पूरे दिल्ली के अंदर ही नहीं, पूरे उत्तर भारत के अंदर इस समय जो AQI का स्तर है, जिस तरह से मौसम ने एक ठहराव लिया है, उससे पूरे उत्तर भारत के अंदर एक ही स्थिति बनी हुई है। दिल्ली में तो बल्कि कई जगहों पे अगर 40 स्टेशन देखें तो 4 की स्थिति थोड़ी ख़राब है, बाकी जगह अगर NCR के राज्यों से देखें तो उससे बेहतर स्थिति दिल्ली के अंदर है। लेकिन जिस तरह का अभी अनुमान देखा जा रहा है कि अभी जो अगला 15 दिन है वो दिल्ली के लिए काफी क्रिटिकल है।
So this has clearly led to political blame game. The BJP has hit out at the Delhi government over the rise in pollution in the state. But interestingly, the issue of pollution also seems to have created a divide within the India bloc, with the Congress and the SP also calling out Arvind Kejriwal government over the failure to curb pollution.
पोल्यूशन को कंट्रोल करने का कोई भी एक गंभीर प्रयास नहीं हुआ। दिल्ली के लोगों की इस पोल्यूशन के कारण औसत 12 साल आयु कम हो रही है। अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को भ्रष्टाचार और तरह तरह की पॉलिटिक्स से फुर्सत नहीं है।
तो जिम्मेदार सीधे सीधे दिल्ली की प्रदेश सरकार और भारत की केंद्र सरकार दोनों है। करोड़ों लोगों को सौंप दिया गया इस जहरीली हवा को सांस लेने के लिए।
My colleague Tejshri is joining us live on the broadcast with the details of what the situation is like today and whether it has improved or not. Tejshri, what is it looking like outside? Yesterday we saw a blanket of smog. Is it any better today? What is the AQI suggesting?
Well, today also the air quality is deteriorating. What we are learning from the IMD is that the air quality has, the AQI has gone above 458, particularly in Akshardham area where I am reporting right now from. I would like to show you the visuals. Vijay Ashok is showing you the visuals. So this is particularly the Akshardham temple, which is clearly not visible as compared to the normal days. Of course, the air quality has worsened over here, and what the experts are also saying that this particular this entire particular AQI will continue for next 15 to 20 days, and in fact it is also expected that the AQI would in fact worsen, the pollution level could worsen in Delhi NCR for the next 15 to 20 days. And smoky has blanketed the skyline here in this particular area, because you can see that the vehicular movement also, you can just see up to 100 to 150 meter up. After that, after 200 meter, the visibility level is very low. In fact, it is also because of the concentration of PM 2.5 and PM10, which has exceeded the safe limit of 60 micrograms, not only by 1 or 2 times, but by 7 to 8 times at various locations in the national capital. However, yes, Delhi LG had convened a meeting yesterday with the senior officials, where Delhi Environment Minister Gopal Rai was also present in that particular meeting. Several senior officials from the central agencies, from the Delhi government were present in the meeting. From the LG office, they were present in the meeting. They were also instructed to monitor the situation very closely, and in fact people are advised to not to step out of their house until unless it is very necessary. Number one. Number two, people are also advised to use public transport as much as possible. Several hotspots have been also identified in the national capital, where continuous water sprinklers will be used to curb the air pollution. Now, yes, if we talk about GRAP 3 has also been implemented, but what experts say that it's just been couple of days, so certainly it will take time to see changes or to in fact see the outcomes here in the national capital.
Okay, so there is a surge in farm fires, unfavorable weather condition that has led to this thick blanket of smog that we're seeing all around. In fact, buildings adjacent to yours also not even visible. It's barely visible in the visuals that you're showing. For context for our viewers, where Tejshri is standing at currently, if she had just panned outside, then you could have seen the Akshardham temple. But right now, because of the smog, it's just not visible. And Tejshri, the impact is such that many residents in the Delhi NCR region have been complaining about burning eyes, about throat infections as well. So this is a very hazardous air quality index, like you just mentioned. But more importantly, let's talk about the politics that's playing out. The BJP says the Aam Aadmi Party has not done anything. We just played out a reaction of the Delhi minister, Gopal Rai, who went on to say that the situation in Delhi is much better. Just some days back, we saw the Aam Aadmi Party leaders patting their back, saying in Punjab, the farm fires have been reduced drastically.
Well, yes, this entire matter has, yes, turned into a political war of words now. What Aam Aadmi Party's minister, say it be Atishi or say it be Saurabh Bharadwaj or say it be Gopal Rai, they have been saying one particular thing, that they do not know that what is the source of pollution in Delhi. They do not know that why air pollution is rising with such a greater speed in the national capital, because they are continuously saying that they do not know the core reason for the air pollution, and in fact they do not have the data for the past few years. This is what they have been saying, that the data is not available to them. That is why they are not able to identify and take certain action as far as this entire matter is concerned, number one. Number two, what Gopal Rai went on saying yesterday, that now BJP is doing politics over this entire matter. BJP is just blaming Punjab for stubble burning, and BJP is ignoring the state of Haryana, because there is the government of BJP, and that is why they are not pointing out or looking of the stubble burning issue in the state of Haryana, but only pointing out towards Punjab. But they have also stated that in Punjab, the stubble burning is quite low, and it is because of Haryana,
yes,
because of which the pollution or we could say the AQI is deteriorating in the national capital.
Absolutely. Stay with us, Tejshri. Let's also show our viewers drone camera footage from the ITO area that shows a layer of haze in the air. These visuals were shot this morning. This is at 7:30 a.m. and look at the visuals. It clearly shows smog, complete, as you're seeing in the visuals, it resembles the aftermath of an apocalypse. In fact, there are several buildings here which can't be seen at all, the smog. This is the same visual that you'll see everywhere across Delhi. In fact, not just one or two areas, but there are several areas across Delhi that have breached the 400 mark on the AQI, which is in the hazardous category. But more breaking updates coming in. The Delhi Environment Minister has now reached the Anand Vihar bus depot. Gopal Rai has now appealed to the UP government to stop sending banned buses. Listen in.
देखिए, दिल्ली के अंदर जो एयर पोल्यूशन है उसको कम करने के लिए सरकार बहुत सारे उपाय कर रही है, लेकिन अभी हम देख रहे थे कि आनंद विहार में हम सुबह से देख रहे थे कि पूरे दिल्ली में सबसे ज़्यादा AQI दिखा रहा है, और उसको हम समझने के लिए आज हम रात में यहाँ पर आए हैं कि आखिर ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है। क्योंकि दिल्ली के अंदर जो है CNG की बसें चलती हैं, दिल्ली के अंदर इलेक्ट्रिक बस चलती है, लेकिन आनंद विहार बस अड्डे पे पूरे उत्तर प्रदेश से सारी डीजल की BS3 और BS4 की जो गाड़ियां बैन कर दी गई हैं उनको यहां भेजा जा रहा है। और यहां अभी बस अड्डे पे हमने देखा कि चारों तरफ हमारे तरफ जो गाड़ियां खड़ी हैं सारी BS3 BS4 की हैं। मेरी उत्तर प्रदेश सरकार से निवेदन है, आज मैंने देखा योगी जी को बोल रहे थे कि पंजाब से धुआं आ रहा है, गाजियाबाद में वो आए थे और मोबाइल में देखे। उत्तर प्रदेश से और योगी जी से मेरा निवेदन है कि इन गाड़ियों को भेजना बंद कर दें, जिससे कम से कम जो गाड़ियों का पोल्यूशन है उसको कंट्रोल किया जा सके।
So this was Gopal Rai blaming Uttar Pradesh. He was saying he has appealed to the Chief Minister as to stop sending buses which are banned into the national capital. So blaming the buses entirely. But this is not something new. In fact, Bhavna is also joining us on the broadcast. Bhavna, this is not something that surprises us anymore. The Aam Aadmi Party government, brushing off all the allegations against them and claiming that they are not responsible. Here as well, Gopal Rai yesterday said the situation in Delhi is much better, and now blaming Uttar Pradesh. But as we're playing out in the visuals, the situation has not improved and there are residents who are suffering in this political blame game.
बिल्कुल, देखिए जिस तरह से एक दूसरे पर आरोप लगाया जा रहा है, चाहे अगर दिल्ली सरकार यूपी सरकार पर आरोप लगाए और यूपी सरकार पंजाब को बोले, लेकिन दिल्ली की स्थिति इस वक्त बद से बदतर होती जा रही है। दिवाली के बाद अमूमन इस तरह की तस्वीरें होती थी जब बहुत ज्यादा प्रदूषण बढ़ जाता था, लेकिन इस बार आप सोचिए कि अभी की अगर बात करें तो गंभीर श्रेणी में हजारस सिचुएशन है। इस वक्त आप देखिए मेरे पीछे आपको तस्वीरें नजर आ रही होगी आनंद विहार से थोड़े से आगे की तस्वीर NH24 की, जहां पर आपको केवल प्रदूषण की एक लेयर नजर आ रही होगी, और जिसकी वजह से आज सुबह का जो AQI है वो 413 दर्ज किया जा रहा है। आनंद विहार, वजीराबाद, नजफगढ़, बवाना, ये कुछ ऐसे इलाके हैं, यहाँ तक कि दिल्ली का जो साउथ एक्स RK पुरम, वहां पर 450 से ज्यादा AQI लेवल है, जो बहुत ज्यादा गंभीर बताया जा रहा है। अस्पतालों में डॉक्टर्स के पास अब मामले जब पहुंचते हैं कि लोगों को सांस लेने में दिक्कत हो रही है, लोगों के लंग्स में प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, इन तमाम चीजों से लोग फेस कर रहे हैं। लेकिन आप देखिए पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज जो है एक दूसरे पर राजनीति शुरू हो जाती है, एक दूसरे पर आरोप लगाना शुरू हो जाता है, लेकिन जो आम आदमी झेलता है वो ही समझ सकता है कि इस वक्त दिल्ली में सांस लेना बहुत ज्यादा मुश्किल है। गैस चैम्बर में सांस लेने को मजबूर है दिल्ली वाले। वहीं दूसरी तरफ पराली जलाने की जो घटनाएं हैं वो पंजाब और हरियाणा से सामने आ रही है, लेकिन वहीं आम आदमी पार्टी का कहना है कि हरियाणा में इस बार ज्यादा पराली जलाई जा रही है, पंजाब में पराली जलाने की संख्या कम हुई है। लेकिन दिल्ली में जिस तरह से वायु गुणवत्ता खराब हो रही है, आने वाले समय में ये और ज्यादा खराब हो सकती है, क्योंकि दिवाली के बाद तस्वीरें और ज्यादा भयावह हो सकती है। लेकिन फिलहाल अगर बात करें इस वक्त दिल्ली और आसपास के जितने भी इलाके हैं वहां पर सांस लेना बहुत ज्यादा मुश्किल होता जा रहा है।
ओके, ऑलराइट भावना।